Welcome to our updated guide on fixing Facebook videos not working. Let's troubleshoot together with these steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor network connectivity can sometimes lead to issues with video playback, so make sure your connection is strong. Next, check if you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your device. Updating the app can often address bugs and enhance video playback performance. If the problem persists, try clearing the cache and data of the Facebook app. Head to your phone's settings, locate the Facebook app, clear its cache and data, then relaunch the app to retry playing the videos. Consider trying a different browser or device if you're accessing Facebook via a web browser. Switching browsers can help identify if the issue is browser-specific. Additionally, testing on a different device can determine if the problem is isolated to your current device. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve Facebook video playback issues, ensuring you can enjoy seamless video viewing on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope this updated guide helps you in resolving any Facebook videos not working problems.